Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another beautiful tutorial on how to carve your brows perfectly. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. For new subscribers, for all subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to use a brow brush to brush her brows. Thereafter, I picked up a razor and then I put the brow into a frame. And the name of the razor that I'm using today is called Super Max. You can use this or you can use Tiger razor, whichever razor that you have right there. So I'm just going to put this brow into a particular frame, just like this. And I'm going to pick up that brow brush again. If you have a spoolie, you can use a spoolie. I'm going to pick up that brow brush and brush the brows downwards. So any excess hair that falls below that frame that I have right there, I'm just going to carve it out. It is as simple as that. So all you have to do first is to put your brow into a frame and then brush down the brows. So any excess hair you have right there, you can just trim it off. It is as simple as that, so that you have a very neat brow. And that's what I am doing right now. So I'm done with this part of the brow. I'm done with underneath the brow. I'm just going to go over to the top, and just like I did beneath the brow, I'm just going to put this brow again into a frame. I'll put the top of the brow into a frame like this, because there's a particular way that I want it to be. So if you want your brow to be really big, this frame will determine if it's going to be big or small, but this is the size that I want mine to be. And then after putting it into a frame, I'm going to brush up the brows again. So any excess hair that falls above the frame that I have right there, I'm just going to cut it out. This is how simple it is. You really need to be careful, because we all know that the skin is delicate and sensitive. You don't want to cut your client's hair. You don't want to cut it at all. So you don't want to cut your client's skin. I mean to say, you don't want to cut your client's skin. So you really need to be extra careful and make sure that you are using a new razor for this. I can't even overemphasize on this particular aspect. So I'm going to repeat the same method on the second brow. We all know how difficult it is most of the times to make the brows, the broad brows, look alike. But what I'm going to do is just to try as much as possible to make them look similar and not really necessarily the same. So my client, when she walked in, she asked me to cut her brow at the middle, like to give it a particular style at the middle. She needed a gap where the arc is on her brow. So after carving the brow, I'm just going to show you guys how I did that quickly. So like I said, put your brow into a frame, brush the brow hairs downwards. Any hair that falls below that frame, cut it off, and then do the same thing above the brow. Put the top of the brow into a frame and then brush the brow hairs upwards. Any hair that falls above the frame that you have right there, cut it off. And I made mention of you being extra careful so that you do not cut your client's skin, or so that you don't cut yourself. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and then when it's time for me to come back, I will do that again. So right now guys, I'm going to carve out the excess hairs that I'm seeing lying around her forehead, in between the both brows, so that the whole thing looks neat, so that her face looks neat. That is it basically, guys. So I'm going to adjust the brows until she likes what she's seeing and until she's comfortable with what I've done. I hope that you guys understand the theory of less is more at this point. So right now, I told you guys that I'm going to cut out the arc at the middle because she requested for it. So I'm just going to let her point the place that she wants that cut to be. And when she affirms that, when she's comfortable with that particular area, I'm going to pick up the brow brush again and then divide that area a little bit, and then go in with my razor again and then just cut. It is as simple as that. Please do not overdo it. You want to be as careful as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to watch my previous videos. They are really going to help you. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video.